Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to unblock someone on Facebook. So just open your Facebook application first, then tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. Okay, that one, that's right, and then tap on settings. Okay, and then now scroll down and look for the option blocking. Okay, this one under the audience and visibility. Okay, tap on blocking, that one. Okay, then after that you can see the people you have blocked on Facebook. So in order to unblock them, just tap on the unblock button at the right corner, then tap on unblock. Okay, you'll have to wait for 8 hours if you want to block this person again. So now tap on unblock, and that's it. You have successfully unblocked someone on Facebook. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.